Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. If you haven't already, I would be happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. Today's video is in collaboration with the Spring or Easter Minis that goes on the tier tray, and this is hosted by Corie from Crafted by Corie. If you haven't already, I'll leave the link of our channel in the description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So after you have viewed mine, please do click on the next video in the playlist. You would not be disappointed. You'll get so many beautiful videos with great inspirations. So today I'm going to do a couple of projects. So let's get started. So this is the final reveal of my Easter / spring minis decorated on a tier tray. And let me start with this cute planter. And like you saw, this was from Dollar General, and then I distressed it with antique wax around it, around the bird's design. And then I highlighted that using one of the burlap twine. I just removed one of the twine from the burlap, and then I just stuck around to just highlight that picture. And I filled with some florals, also some greenery and some green moss, floral moss, everything. So this is one of the mini I'm very excited about, so let me know your thoughts on this. And the next one is one of those egg sign, and I actually painted white, and then I stuck one of the napkin, and I basically decoupaged it, and those are the two cute eggs I just stuck. And this is one of the clothespin, and it had like one of the bunny showing the posterior. So I just stuck it, enhance the beauty of that egg. So that's one of it. And the other one is one of this fluffy bunny that I got from kids section, and that's one of the planter container, I think. It had a lot of floral design on it. It's so beautiful. So I just stuffed that bunny, and those bunny ears were falling off. I just stuck two of the dowels on the back of the ears so that they can stand up. And I also gave him one of the buffalo checker ribbon around her neck, so the bow just gets completed. And you saw this was one of the pink egg, and I painted light pink, and then I drew face, and I stuck some of the florals on his head. And yeah, I just stuffed with this bunny just to give like it's holding it. And the other one I painted yellow, and I gave one of the floral, and then I painted his face. He's so happy, smiling. And I decorated with 2 of the carrots, and that's one of the flower vase from my previous project. And this bunny is also from my previous project, and that moss egg is also from my previous project. And these are the carrots I made with clothspin from my previous project. And this is also fresh bucket, distressed bucket from Dollar Tree, and also from my previous project. And those are like decoupaged eggs. I did it previously, and that's one of the fused light bulb. I made a carrot out of that, and also that is one of the another carrot, and I just twined it up. That's one of the other project. And that's our bunny, happily smiling. And it's another carrot twined up. And this is one of my other egg that I twined up. And bunny, moss bunny, carrots. So I just decorated all of my projects on the tier tray. And this is one of the bunny trail sign. I wanted to show this as well. So this is like a bunny trail. It's a bunny station, so I just gave it as a bunny trail leading to that area. And this is how I just decorated all my Easter projects. So if you want to see a few of these projects how I did, I'll leave the link of these projects in the description box as well, so you can look it up. And I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me today. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.